Okay, let's dive right into this. We're unpacking something today that honestly sounds a lot like science fiction, but it's actually a reality you can build right now. We're talking about constructing a fully automated one person business empire with absolutely zero coding required. So let's get into the explainer.
To get there, we really have to start with a massive question. What exactly comes after ChatGPT? I mean, if you spend any time online, you've probably seen everyone throwing around these buzzwords, right? Agents, agentic workflows, that kind of thing. The problem is, most explanations out there are either way too technical, just packed with jargon, or they're so basic they're practically useless for getting any real work done. So today, we're going to cut through all that noise. We're going to explain them simply and actually show you how they function.
First things first, let's define what an AI agent actually is. Think of it as an automated system that you build once. It remembers you, it remembers its specific instructions, and here's the kicker, it keeps working long after you've completely shut your laptop. And the absolute best part of this whole setup? You can run these entirely in your web browser. Literally no coding, using simple tools like HyperAgent.
And this brilliantly illustrates the massive paradigm shift we're seeing. Standard AI, it's just a tab. You open it, you ask a question, and you close it. And tomorrow, you're starting from scratch because it completely forgets you. But an AI agent, that is essentially a digital employee. It's an autonomous workforce grinding continuously in the background, building assets, and generating value on your behalf.
So to build this one-person empire, we're going to follow a three-part blueprint today. Number 1, the automated offer. Number 2, the AI startup team. And number 3, autopilot operations.
All right, pillar 1, the automated offer. Because, well, every business needs a product or service, right? Let's look at a fascinating example of a wedding decor service run entirely by an agent called Sketch.
Just think about how incredibly seamless this client journey is. Usually, a decorator has to physically drive to a venue, walk around, verbally describe their ideas, and just hope the client can visualize it before handing over thousands of dollars. But with a Sketch agent, it's a total game changer. Step 1, the client simply sends a photo of an empty venue. Step 2, the AI steps in like a seasoned planner. It actively asks clarifying questions. What's the budget? The guest count? The preferred styles? Then, step 3. In about 1 minute, literally less time than it takes to pour a cup of coffee, the AI generates 3 stunningly decorated photos. We're talking a timeless romantic look, a modern glam setup, an organic garden vibe, all complete with an itemized price estimate. The client can sit there playing with a slider on their phone, watching the empty venue fill with decor, and just checking boxes to build their own custom quote. No way you could do that manually that fast. So the crucial point comes down to this: $11. That is the total cost it took to build this entire automated interactive setup. You are spending under $11 in AI computing costs to create this highly professional service flow and landing page, something you could comfortably charge a client thousands of dollars for.
Which brings us to this really powerful realization. Next to nothing going out and real money coming in. I mean, that's the absolute dream, isn't it? This agent creates a perfectly scalable offer. The clients are essentially doing the sales and discovery process themselves, and you haven't had to lift a single finger to close the deal.
Moving right along to pillar 2, the AI startup team. Having a product is great for sure, but a thriving business needs research, it needs branding, it needs sales. Instead of hiring an entire department, let's look at a pitch deck service called Deck Doctor. This operates just like a multi-agent assembly line. Instead of relying on just one AI trying to do every single thing, you have a senior chief AI. This chief runs the show and delegates tasks to 4 specialized junior AIs. You've got a researcher sizing up the market, a builder creating a clickable prototype, a designer building out the brand, and a closer whose entire job is just finding sales leads. And what's absolutely genius here is how it saves you money. The chief makes the master plan using a highly intelligent, slightly more expensive model. But then, it automatically drops down to cheaper, faster models for the junior agents who are doing the heavy lifting. You literally just give the chief one idea, and it runs this entire assembly line for you. And the results are incredibly tangible. The closer agent actually went out, searched the web live, and found 7 real founders and companies currently raising money. People you could pitch your brand new services to right now. It pulled contact details, current status, the whole shebang. This setup does the work of a full sales and research team, work that would normally cost an absolute fortune in salaries. And the true beauty of this is, once you build it, you save these agents as a reusable template. You now have a machine that you can point at literally any new business idea and just have it spin up a company in minutes. Okay, let's hit pillar 3, autopilot operations.
Because let's be real, the most draining part of any business is simply watching the numbers and keeping the machine on track day after day.
Enter Pulse. This is an always-on analytics agent. Now, this specific agent isn't something you sell to clients. Rather, it's something you use to buy back your own time. Let's take a YouTube analytics dashboard as an example, though, you could apply this to pretty much any data stream. Pulse just sits in the background, quietly keeping an eye on your entire operation while you sleep, making sure you never drop the ball.
Let's look at Pulse's daily routine. Every 30 minutes, it checks the data. It compares it against what's normal for your specific business. But crucially, it has strict guardrails. It's given read-only access. That means it watches, but it never touches or alters anything outside without asking you first. So if something goes wrong, say a click rate suddenly drops, it doesn't just send you a panicked alert with a raw number. No, it sends a Slack message with a real fix, like, here are 3 fresh thumbnail ideas to try immediately. And then, like clockwork, every single morning at 9 a.m., it builds and posts a fresh daily summary dashboard for you.
Now, what's truly fascinating is the number 92. The builder actually instructed Pulse to construct a scorecard to grade its own analytical accuracy. And on this particular day, it gave itself a 92 out of 100, based on how good and accurate its own comments were. If it ever gives a weak analysis, it flags itself so you know, yes, it is literally an AI agent giving itself a performance review to ensure quality control. Mind-blowing, right? It all really boils down to this perfectly stated summary. The one employee you hire once who never clocks out. Having a self-updating, self-monitoring system running those boring, repetitive parts of your operations, that is what prevents burnout. It's the secret sauce that actually makes a one-person empire sustainable over the long term. It lets you focus on the fun stuff, strategy, and creativity instead of constantly putting out fires. Which brings us to the end of our explainer today, and I want to leave you with a question to chew on. If you can run an entire agency while you sleep, we're talking an automated offer, a full AI startup team, and autopilot operations, all for just a few dollars, what will you build? The tools are out there right now, they run right in your browser, and the barrier to entry has literally never been lower. It is an incredibly exciting time. Thanks for joining me to break this all down, and I honestly can't wait to see what you create with this knowledge.